Good morning, my name is Kelly. This is our week 4 envelope drawing assignment where we learned measurements and ratios without a ruler. The first two is a square and a vase. I did struggle with this assignment with a few of these shapes. I've never used this technique for drawing before. I'm used to sketching things out. So this was definitely new to me, and I struggled with the proportions of things. Like this vase, you can see that it's just like way too wide and too tall. And I did have to redo it, but it didn't really come out any better. But I'll show you at the end anyway. The first one then came out pretty well, but we did follow a video for those ones. Next one is the teacup, and then two shapes. This one definitely could have come out better. Again, like, I think with this whole measurement ratio things kind of like messes with my mind. It's a little new to me, so I definitely struggled getting like the right shape, making it look how I would want it to. So this is just really new to me, so I kind of struggled here. I think this one came out pretty well, but it was very simple. Just the triangle and circle definitely can come out better, like more round, but again, this is like a new technique that I've just learned. The next two, this is another one I had to redo. You can tell that I struggled here on the square. I like redid it a million times, but I did another total redo of it, and I think it came out a little bit better. The other shapes look fine. With the circle and the triangle, it's a bit easy when it comes to the ratios and the measurement because they seem to be just like 50-50 for most of it. And then with the apples, the proportions definitely came out a little weird. The cup definitely could have been a little better, and then obviously this apple is bigger than the rest. But I kind of just put everything in like its own square. You can kind of see in the background. So I kind of gave each individual apple its own square to kind of put it in its to get the right proportion for each one in its place with the ratios and everything. So I think that part came out pretty decent, but I definitely need to work on the proportions. And then these are the redos. Again, here's the vase. It didn't really come out any better. It's still a bit too wide and tall. I need to work on the proportions of things, but again, like, this is like a new technique for me, so I'm not used to working this way. And then with this one, I think the square came out a bit better. Still need to practice on it though, but I think you can see some improvement with that one. So yeah, these were the redos. I think I did pretty decent for my first time. So yeah, if you have any advice, that would be great. Other than that, I can't wait to see your drawings.